Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to keep your lungs strong for COVID-19. The best defense for maintaining your lungs health during the COVID-19 pandemic. Here are some proactive steps that you can take to optimize your lungs health. So the number one is steam inhalation. Yes, you heard it right. It is the most effective in COVID. At 50 degrees, the virus becomes disabled. At 60 degrees, the virus becomes so weak that any human immunity can fight against it. At 70 degrees, the virus dies completely. This method is easily accessible and inexpensive procedure. One who can stay at home should take steam once a day. If you go to the market to buy vegetable and the essentials, take it twice a day. You can ping your medical shop and ask them about steam inhalations and Vicks Vapor Rub capsules and many other capsules available in the market, and take the steam at night and also have purified water. So second is exercise. Yes, do exercise regularly. This will increase your airflow with physical activity, improve the flow of oxygen in the bloodstream that increase airflow in your muscles, heart and lungs. 30 minutes of moderate exercise 5 times per week is recommended to benefit your lungs. Third is don't smoke. Tobacco and vape smoke can include dozens of chemical and carbon monoxide displacing of oxygen in your lungs. So number 4 is hydration. Yes, it may not be top of your mind, but proper hydration keep your lungs lubricate so inheritance and mucus thins out. Drink at least 9 cups of water per day. So number 5th is diet. Food choices are important for lungs and immune system health. All you need to do is eat food which are high in vitamins and antioxidants like fruits, vegetables and nuts. So in the next video, I am going to tell you about how to monitor your health and avoid confusion with the medication prescribed by the Indian Health Organization. I hope you found this video helpful. Do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thanks for watching.